I've decided to make a YouTube channel. So for the past couple of years, I've been obsessed with Bitcoin and everything cryptocurrency. So I've decided to take all that time I spent reading and researching and put together a couple videos and see if anyone out there finds them interesting or informative. So that's of course you've seen the name Everyday Crypto. That's because I've been thinking about crypto about every single day. And so my wife is tired of hearing me talk about it, so I figured I'd talk out to the internet. So I've been a little shout out to Dave Jones at the EEV blog. He does an electronics podcast, and I've been watching that, and time again, he's said just create something, and put it out there. So that's what I'm going to do, and we'll see if anyone likes it. So welcome to the channel, and hopefully you find a video that's entertaining. Thanks.